Why do all animals of the same species, no matter where they are in the world, seem to communicate in the same way? A lion's roar in Africa is no different from a lion's roar in Asia. But humans? We have thousands of languages and dialects. Why is that? Let's explore this question through the lens of science and religion. Scientifically, animals rely on instinctive communication. Their sounds, gestures, and signals are hardwired into their DNA for survival. A bird's chirp is not a learned behavior but an innate trait passed down through generations. Humans, on the other hand, have evolved complex brains capable of abstract thought, culture, and social structures. Language, for us, is not just a tool for survival, it's a cultural phenomenon. Thousands of years of migration, isolation, and adaptation gave birth to diverse languages that reflect the uniqueness of human civilizations. In Christianity, the diversity of human language is explained in the story of the Tower of Babel. The Bible tells us that humanity once shared one language, but when people tried to build a tower to reach the heavens, God confused their language to scatter them across the earth. This act, as described in Genesis, symbolizes both humanity's ambition and God's will to diversify and humble us. The Quran acknowledges the diversity of human languages and sees it as a sign of Allah's wisdom. In Surah Ar-Rum 30:22, it says, "And among his signs is the creation of the heavens and the earth, and the diversity of your languages and your colors. Indeed, in that are signs for those of knowledge." This verse highlights that linguistic diversity is part of Allah's divine plan to create a world of variety and beauty. In Hinduism, the diversity of languages can be linked to the concept of Leela, or the divine play. The universe, including human culture and language, is seen as part of the creative expression of Brahman, the ultimate reality. Additionally, Sanskrit, considered the mother of many languages, is often regarded as a divine language, connecting the spiritual and material worlds. While animals share universal modes of communication, humans are united in diversity. Our languages reflect the beauty of our cultures, the depth of our history, and the creativity of our minds. Whether you view it through science or religion, this diversity is something to be celebrated and cherished.